Hello guys, welcome back to another charting session today. Today's day is the June 13th, Friday, and the last trading day of the week. So today I took a long position on MNQ and it was relatively late into the market. Took it around basically 11 a.m. New York time. Water break. So yeah, prior to market open, we had a massive sell-off. If you can see here, this massive dump. So initially into the trading day, I was bearish due to all of these imbalances being created and this huge sell-off. Then I reanalyzed everything, and so we had created an SMT with this low. You might not see it, but like if you look at the price, look at the low, 470.5, 471. And if you go in ES, and ES clearly took this 4-hour low and put an SMT as well. So this gave me my not really my bias for the day, but added a confidence into my bullish trade. But after a massive sell-off, majority of the time like this, I always use a Fibonacci retracement and just find the 50% of this sell-off, because market needs to rebalance after moving lower. As we can see by this 4-hour candle that's going to be closing in around 2 minutes. Market is going to close in a few minutes. So yeah, so I marked out the retracement level, or the premium of this range, and I was targeting around here 0.705 of Fibonacci retracement level. So let's jump into the trade. So as I said before, I relatively took this trade really late into market open, not even near market open. So yeah, so near market open. So yeah, near market open, we basically, or not near, but on market open, we just rallied up and up and up. Then after this is basically a market maker buy model. So we created the original consolidation. We had consolidation 1, then consolidation 2, then we had our SMT smart money technique here. Then at this time I wasn't around the charts because I was in class. So yeah, just going off what I see right now. So I see an inverse fair value gap and a change in state of delivery right here. So this gave, so I knew price was now bullish. Then I hopped on the 5-minute and saw this imbalance get opened up right here. I have this fair value gap getting opened up here. So scaled down, and I scaled back into the 1-minute, and so we saw a stop trade. This low was recently put in, then market just ran through it. So I had a stop trade. We were in a high time frame, or somewhat of a high time frame level, and we inverse this 1-minute fair value gap that I forgot to mark out right here, and a change in the state of delivery. This is the model I trade. But price moved so fast that I could barely take the entry, but I was still confident in this trade. So I took a trade around here when this candle opened up and started displacing high. So I took a trade there and put my stop loss just below this candle, because we had this fair value gap and this fair value gap to protect my stop loss, plus this change in state of delivery to protect my stop loss. And this was just basically a classic market maker buy model seen here. All this generated buy side of liquidity that we just purged through, and we met standard deviation. But when I was in the trade after this massive move higher, I took off basically all my contracts after this massive displacement leg up. My first target was a 1 to 2 RR. So took off my first contract on 77, so somewhere around 77.25. So I took my first contract around here, right around here. Then after this move up, I took off rest of my position to just secure some profit. Good trade today. Didn't trade off my emotion. Waited for a setup to present to myself, and was confident, and target was confident in the trade. So yeah, so little analysis for the Friday open. Probably from all this price action, we have rebalanced into that. Have we rebalanced? Yeah, we rebalanced to the high time frame equilibrium, and we just sold off. So probably going to be targeting these relative equal lows on Mondays. This is the easiest draw on liquidity on Monday. So if you do take a trade, possibly look for shorts to this area, because we have so much generated sell side below us. Yeah, we go Asia lows down here and London lows that are still intact. So yeah, this is relatively a short video. Just wanted to show you the trade I took today. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. Hopefully I make another video on Wednesday. Not Wednesday, Monday, if I do take a trade. Let's check news on the economic calendar. Other than this, pretty much useless, doesn't do anything. Tuesday might be a good day, but these two folders don't really put that much volume or thing. But this Wednesday is gonna be the best. It's either gonna be a void day or one of the best trading days, because the news is at 7 o'clock UK time. So gotta wait. If AM price action is very dodgy or very like choppy, I'm probably gonna avoid the trading day. Then Thursday is gonna be probably low probability, and Friday is gonna be low probability as well. Probably if this trading day like makes delivers lower, I expect Thursday or Friday to put us back into the range. So yeah, next week probably not gonna be a good week. Probably gonna de-risk a little. Instead of me trading 2 contracts, I might drop down to 1, or just not completely trade that whole week. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you found it helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, and join the free Discord that is in my YouTube bio. So thank you for watching once again. Good luck with your trading next week. Wish you all the best of luck. Bye bye.